Presenting Crispy, the fastest cat in town. Forget Formula One, forget superheroes. This little furball has only one mission: destroy the curtains. Mom says, "No, Crispy, not the curtains." But Crispy hears, "Go faster." She runs, she jumps, she scratches like she's training for the Cat Olympics. The whole family can't believe their eyes. Is this real life, or did someone hit fast forward? But wait, every superhero needs a break. And what does Crispy do after all that chaos? She kicks back and watches cartoons like a boss. From chaos to chill, that's Crispy's style. Catfish with tears of joy.